Poundbury, a unique project by Prince Charles in the southwest of England. In this film, you'll discover unknown or little-known facts about this extraordinary place. Ready? Here's a short walk during the golden hour of the morning. You won't find traffic lights, speed bumps, or even standard road signs in Poundbury. Yet, it's considered one of the safest places in the UK for road users. Traffic flows naturally, relying on mutual awareness and respect between drivers and pedestrians. From a distance, you might think you're on the set of Pride and Prejudice, or that a Georgian gentleman in a top hat is about to stroll by humming reggae. But don't be fooled. Although it looks like it belongs in 18th century England, Poundbury is less than 30 years old. The first buildings were erected in 1993, yet the entire project was deliberately styled to resemble Georgian architecture, creating the illusion of a history that never quite existed here. In the very heart of Queen Mother Square stands an impressive statue of Queen Elizabeth, the mother of Queen Elizabeth II. Unveiled in 2016 by Prince Charles himself, now King of the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. The bronze statue shows her wearing her signature hat and a warm smile, reflecting the affection with which she was regarded by the British public. Did you know that over 35% of all homes in Poundbury are social or affordable housing? And yet, the entire area is considered prestigious, elegant, and highly desirable. It's a clear example of how thoughtful design can completely transform the perception of social housing. In Poundbury, you won't find billboards, neon signs, or any aggressive visual advertising. All shop signs must follow strict guidelines regarding size, font, and color. This creates a cohesive, calm urban space, free from commercial visual clutter. Brookhouse Street is one of the most charming lanes in Poundbury, with cobblestones, elegant facades, and a cinematic feel. The town has several other postcard-like corners straight out of a period drama. If you'd like to join a peaceful morning walk with no narration or music, just birdsong, click the card above or the link in the description. resident of Poundbury has access to parks and green spaces within a 3-minute walk. This is no coincidence, but the result of a carefully planned network of public spaces. The greenery was designed to serve as the town's natural lungs and a place for the community to come together. The Poundbury obelisk is an elegant neoclassical monument, designed as a visual gateway symbolizing the beginning of a new royal vision for urban planning. Its slender silhouette and the surrounding low-rise buildings make it one of the most recognizable landmarks in all of Poundbury. Poundbury is where the future meets the past, calm, harmonious, and unlike any typical British town. Thanks for walking with me. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe. And check out my other films for more unique places.